Hi there, I'm Steven, and welcome to today's video. I'm excited to show you how to easily change a table for your customers in Poshier. Sometimes, your guests might want to switch to a different table, and guess what? It's super simple to do in Poshier. Let's dive right in and set up a new table for your customer. First, just tap on any table and enter the number of guests. Then, add some items to their order, like a delicious cup of latte and a lovely breakfast tea. Now, if your guests decide they'd like to move to another table for any reason, don't worry. Just head back to the original table and tap the Change Table button right here. In this section, you'll see an overview of all the tables. Just pick one that shows the status as available and tap Change. And there you go. You've successfully changed the table for your guests, and you can continue adding items to their new table. Thank you so much for watching. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like our video. I can't wait to see you in the next one.